Hello, Flutter developers. Launch your next application on iOS, Android, web, Windows, macOS, and Linux from a single clean Flutter code base. Our Flexboard Admin Dashboard is more than a template. It's a complete production-ready starter kit packed with features like dynamic charting, multiple dashboard layouts, advanced data tables, and full internationalization support. With pre-built translations for 6 languages, including Arabic, Spanish, and Chinese, a modern component library, and a clean architecture. The presence of Auto Router Build Runner suggests the use of a powerful, auto-generating router, which simplifies navigation and deep linking. A dedicated theme service allows for easy customization of light-dark modes and overall app aesthetic. Make it your own in minutes. With a powerful theming system, easy icon replacement, and a well-organized asset structure, rebranding the entire application is simple and fast. You will save hundreds of development hours. Stop building from scratch and launch your professional cross-platform application today